Good morning, students. Here is the question answer of lesson number 2, bringing up the curry. The question number 1 is the enclosure in which curry lived had a thatched roof that lay on thick tree stumps. Examine the illustration of Curry's pavilion on page number 8 and say why it was built that way. Curry's pavilion was built under a thatched roof, having its support on a thick tree trunk. The support was necessary to save the roof from falling down when he moved about and bumped against the bamboo poles. In brief, you can say why the Curry's pavilion built on such place that was on the uh, tree, because sometimes the curry push the thatched roof, and that's why the tree supports the roof or the pavilion of the curry. So the answer is completed of question number 1. The second question is, did Curry enjoy his morning bath in the river? Give a reason for your answer. The answer is yes. Curry loved to be taken to the river for his bath. He lay down on the sandbank. The narrator rubbed his body with clean sand. Then he washed his body with water. He used to make sounds joyfully. The third question is, finding good twigs for curry took a long time. Why? The narrator had to work hard. The answer is, the narrator had to work hard to gather soft new twigs for curry. He had to climb all kinds of trees. If the twigs were deformed, Curry refused to eat them. The question number 4, why did Curry push his friend into the stream? The answer is, Curry pushed his friend into the stream because a boy was drowning in the water. Curry himself could not save and carry the boy to the shore. Question number 5 is, Curry was like a baby. What are the main points of comparison? Like a baby. What was the main features of a baby in Curry? Curry was like a human baby. He had to be taught a few lessons to become good. Like a baby, he too played some mischief. He used to steal away the fruits from the dining table. These are the main features of a baby curry. Question number 6, Curry helped himself to all the bananas in the house without anyone noticing it. How did he do it? Curry was mischievous but intelligent creature. He started taking away the bananas kept on the dining table. He used his back long trunk to steal fruits through the window. Question number 7. Curry learned the commands to sit and to walk. What were the instructions for each command? Curry learned the commands to sit down or stand up and walk fast or slow. The word that was the command to sit down. The word mali was the command to walk. Question number 8. What is the master call? Why is it the most important signal for an elephant to learn? The answer is the master call was a strange kind of hissing like a snake and howling like a tiger. It sounded like a fight between a snake and tiger. The sound had to be made in the elephant's ear. It was a necessary signal for Curry to uproot trees and make a passage through the dense forest for the house. Okay, these questions are important and you should learn these all the questions from this video. Write it down in your notebook and learn it properly because these questions maybe come in your PT1. Okay, so learn it properly and complete this lesson. Thank you, students.